MLA ka South Shillong constituency uba San Borshulai hakasngi palai ula play ba ya ka traffic boot Laban Red Cross kablatei na ka discretionary grant MLA ka bashilak laipo hajar tingka bar ula IT sundan yakni ka boot sha ka Shillong traffic police bakan pinan kam uba San Bor ula IT yakni ka traffic boot how SP traffic K Prasad ha ka jingidon lang ki he pulit urang ba shnong bar kinong yalam shnong Hadin kani uba San Borshulai ula place ya ka pankhana ni ka use and pay toilet kablashna na ka Shillong Municipal Board lingba ka Swachh Bharat Mission ka bakot sanlak tingka.
And from today, hand over this lock and key to Honorable SP, and from today onwards, it is your property, you can utilize it. Thank you. And this place is very busy place. This is a market place, and the problem that we are facing now, and based on the request of the general public of the entire Laban area and Greater Laban area, that we need urgently a police boot. Here, a police boot has to enable the traffic department to regulate the flow of traffic, and also to see that the safety of the pedestrians, especially the students, the children. So today, with the blessing of God, we have all 60 MLA. We are getting since last year 20 lakhs in the form of discretionary grant, and through this 20 lakhs, I have sanctioned 1,30,000 to set up this police boot for the interest of the police, traffic department, and for the interest of the general public. And later on, after the handing over of this police boot to the authority of the traffic department in presence of Honorable SP Prasad, then we will go down, a little bit down, where we are going to inaugurate the public urinal toilet and urinal system in the form of pay and use toilet and urinal system. This is also the long aspiration of the people of Greater Laban, especially the people of our Laban area, because they don't have this toilet and urinal facility.